Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TNV Academy. In today's video, we are diving into ISO 27018 and more importantly, its impact on customer trust. If you are a business owner, cloud service provider, or even a customer who values data privacy, this video is for you. We'll break down why ISO 27018 is so important for building customer trust and how it can help you stand out in today's data-driven world. Let's get started. In today's market, consumers are becoming more aware and concerned about how their personal data is handled. From online shopping to using cloud services for work, data privacy is a huge issue. Data breaches, identity theft, and misuse of personal information have all made consumers more cautious. For businesses, trust is everything. If customers don't feel secure sharing their data with you, they won't do business with you. And that's where ISO 27018 comes into play. It can directly impact your ability to earn and keep that trust. Now let's talk about how ISO 27018 helps you build customer trust. Transparency in data protection. ISO 27018 helps businesses become more transparent about how they handle customer data. By adopting this standard, you are required to clearly communicate your data protection policies, including what data is collected, how it's used, and how it's secured. This transparency is key in gaining trust because customers can see that you are serious about protecting their information. Accountability and responsibility. One of the key components of ISO 27018 is that it holds businesses accountable. By following the standard, companies are committing to implement privacy controls and data protection measures that go beyond legal requirements. This shows customers that you are not just following the law, you are going the extra mile to protect their personal information. Reassurance in compliance. When businesses are ISO 27018 certified, they are meeting a globally recognized standard for data protection. This third-party verification provides additional reassurance to customers that your practices meet strict privacy guidelines. In a world where data privacy laws like GDPR and CCPA are top of mind, showing customers that your company is compliant with ISO 27018 is a major trust signal. Minimizing the risk of data breaches. ISO 27018 requires businesses to implement robust security controls to protect personal data, which in turn helps reduce the likelihood of data breaches. When customers know that you have these security measures in place, it builds their confidence that their data is safe with you. They trust you more because they know you are actively working to prevent any potential risk. The business impact of customer trust. Now you might be asking, okay, but how does this actually impact my business? Well, the reality is that trust can drive loyalty and loyalty can drive revenue. Here's how. Increased customer retention. When customers trust you, they are more likely to stick around. They are also more likely to recommend your business to others, which is the best form of marketing you can get. Competitive advantage. As a business, you are constantly competing for customers. If your competitors aren't ISO 27080 certified and you are, you have an edge. Customers are more likely to choose a business that prioritizes their data security. It's a differentiator that sets you apart. Reduced legal and financial risk. By adhering to ISO 27080, you not only improve your customer trust but also protect your business from potential legal and financial fallout related to data breaches. Trust is important, but so is avoiding fines and reputational damages that come from mishandling personal data. Enhanced reputation. Over time, your commitment to data privacy and security builds your reputation. You will be known as a business that values and protects customer data, which in today's digital age can only mean positive things for your brand. Now we can say that ISO 27018 is more than just a certification. It's a powerful tool that can help your business build and maintain trust with your customers. In today's privacy-conscious world, customers want to know that their data is being handled responsibly, and ISO 27018 helps you show them exactly that. If you are looking to increase your credibility, retain loyal customers, and protect your business, ISO 27018 is definitely a standard to consider. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more content like this. If you have any questions about ISO 27018 or how it can help your business, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.